5 best superfoods to repair kidney function naturally over 55. Do you wake up feeling exhausted despite a full night of rest? Perhaps you notice a slight puffiness around your eyes or a dull ache in your lower back as you swing your feet out of bed. Maybe you have accepted that getting up 3 times a night for the bathroom or seeing bubbles in your urine is just a part of getting older. Many of my patients call these normal signs of aging, but they are wrong. These are not just birthday candles on your cake. They are urgent distress signals. These symptoms often mean your creatinine levels are creeping up and your GFR is silently dropping. Your kidneys are stressed and struggling to filter the metabolic waste and toxins that accumulated while you slept. I am Dr. Mattheus from Kidney Health 365. For years, I have seen traditional medicine tell seniors to simply drink more water or eat less salt. While that is fine advice, it completely ignores the critical morning habits and specific nutrient deficiencies that keep your kidneys in a state of chronic inflammation. A recent longitudinal study tracking over 2,000 adults revealed that those who failed to address early-stage filtration decline were 4 times more likely to face invasive treatments within 5 years. However, the same data showed that targeted nutritional intervention could help stabilize kidney stress markers significantly. If you ignore these warnings, you are essentially leaving your internal filters to rust. But there is hope. You do not have to wait for the next lab result to show bad news. There are simple, specific choices you can make before you even finish your first cup of coffee that can change everything. One particular superfood takes less than 2 minutes to prepare, but it acts like a biological reset for your filtration system. Let us look at why your kidneys require this specialized support after age 55 before I reveal that first life-changing ingredient. To understand why your body requires a different strategy today than it did 20 years ago, we have to look at what is happening inside your renal arteries. As we cross the threshold of 55, our kidneys undergo a natural structural shift called renal senescence. Think of your kidneys as a sophisticated water filtration system that has been running non-stop for decades. Over time, the tiny blood vessels known as capillaries start to lose their elasticity, and the number of functioning nephrons begins to decrease. This is often accelerated by chronic systemic inflammation, which acts like hidden rust inside your pipes. For many older adults, this decline is not a sudden crash, but a slow, silent erosion of the glomerular filtration rate. When your kidneys are under this type of age-related stress, they become less efficient at neutralizing free radicals and managing the delicate balance of potassium and phosphorus. Traditional diets often fail here because they do not provide the high-density antioxidants needed to protect the remaining healthy tissue from oxidative stress. According to research published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology, targeted dietary patterns that emphasize plant-based antioxidants and high-quality nutrients are significantly associated with a slower progression of chronic kidney disease. By introducing specific superfoods, we are not just eating for calories, we are providing the biological tools your kidneys need to reduce internal pressure and manage metabolic waste. This nutritional foundation is what separates those who struggle with declining health from those who maintain vitality well into their 80s. Now that you understand the biological necessity of this shift, let us dive into the specific pantry staples that can initiate this transformation, starting with a vibrant vegetable that is a total game-changer for your filtration health. Red bell peppers are often called the perfect kidney vegetable because they deliver incredible flavor without the mineral burden that usually comes with colorful produce. For anyone over 55 managing kidney health, the biggest challenge is finding foods that are high in nutrients but low in potassium. Red bell peppers fit this profile, perfectly making them an essential tool for protecting your filtration system. The secret behind their success lies in their impressive nutritional density. Unlike many other vegetables, red bell peppers are exceptionally low in potassium, which helps prevent dangerous buildup in the bloodstream. At the same time, they are packed with vitamins A, C, and B6, plus a powerful antioxidant called lycopene. Lycopene has been studied for its ability to shield the kidneys from oxidative damage and chronic inflammation. According to data from the National Kidney Foundation, red bell peppers are highly recommended because they provide these essential vitamins while keeping mineral levels safe for those with reduced renal function. However, even with a superfood, balance is key. While they are safe for most people, individuals with rare nightshade sensitivities should monitor their reaction. Always ensure the peppers are fresh and free from soft spots to avoid mold toxins that could stress your system. To get the most benefit, I recommend eating them raw or lightly sauteed. High-heat cooking for long periods can destroy the delicate vitamin C content. Try slicing them into thin strips for a crunchy snack or dicing them into your morning egg white omelet for a boost of color and health. For a delicious variation, you can roast them and blend them into a kidney-friendly red pepper sauce using garlic and olive oil. This adds a rich depth of flavor to your meals without using salt or heavy creams. If you have already made red bell peppers a part of your weekly grocery list, please comment with the number 1 below. If this is a new addition you are planning to try today, comment with the number 0. I love seeing how many of you are taking these steps. Now, as great as peppers are, they are even more effective when paired with a natural seasoning that flushes out excess sodium. Let us look at a common kitchen staple that acts like a natural shield for your blood pressure. Garlic is much more than a kitchen staple. It is a potent medicinal herb that serves as a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse for your kidneys. For those of us over 55, managing blood pressure is the single most important thing we can do to prevent further renal damage. Garlic provides a delicious way to reduce our reliance on salt, which is the primary enemy of healthy kidney filtration. The magic of garlic comes from a sulfur compound called allicin. When garlic is crushed or chopped, allicin is released and begins its work by relaxing your blood vessels and improving circulation. This process helps lower systemic blood pressure and reduces the heavy workload placed on your delicate nephrons. Scientific studies archived by the National Institutes of Health suggest that regular garlic consumption can help decrease oxidative stress markers in the kidneys and provide a protective effect against heavy metal toxicity. However, it is important to use garlic wisely. Because garlic has natural blood-thinning properties, those who are currently taking prescription blood thinners or preparing for surgery should consult their doctor before significantly increasing their intake. Consuming excessive amounts of raw garlic on an empty stomach may also cause digestive discomfort or heartburn in sensitive individuals. For the best results, always use fresh garlic cloves rather than the pre-minced jars. To activate the allicin, chop or crush your garlic and let it sit on the cutting board for at least 10 minutes before cooking. This brief rest period ensures you get the full medicinal benefit. A wonderful way to use it is by making a garlic-infused olive oil to drizzle over roasted vegetables. You can also roast whole garlic bulbs in the oven until they become sweet and spreadable, providing a rich, buttery flavor without any added sodium. If garlic is already a hero in your kitchen, comment with the number 1 below. If you are just learning about its kidney benefits today, comment with the number 0. Now that we have covered how to season your food for health, let us move on to a versatile vegetable that can replace your high-potassium side dishes while scrubbing your system clean. Cauliflower is a true kidney superstar because it offers a nutritious low-potassium alternative to starchy foods that often strain our renal system. For many people over 55, giving up potatoes or rice can feel like a sacrifice, but cauliflower makes the transition easy and delicious. Its unique ability to mimic the texture of comfort foods while actively scrubbing your body of toxins makes it an essential part of any kidney repair strategy. The scientific benefit of cauliflower comes from its rich concentration of compounds like indolase glucosinolates and thiocyanidase. These phytochemicals work alongside your liver and kidneys to neutralize toxic waste products that can cause cellular damage. Furthermore, cauliflower is an excellent source of vitamin C, fiber, and folate, which support overall vascular health without the high potassium or phosphorus levels found in other vegetables. Clinical insights often highlight cruciferous vegetables for their role in reducing chronic inflammation, which is a primary driver of declining glomerular filtration rates in older adults. While cauliflower is incredibly safe for most people, those with thyroid conditions should be mindful of consuming very large quantities of raw cruciferous vegetables, as they contain goitrogens. Cooking the cauliflower typically neutralizes these compounds, making it safe for almost everyone. Additionally, if you are on a strict low-fiber diet for digestive reasons, introduce it slowly to avoid bloating. The best way to enjoy cauliflower is to steam or roast it to preserve its nutrient profile. One of the most popular kidney-friendly swaps is cauliflower mash. Simply steam the florets until tender and blend them with a little garlic and olive oil for a creamy side dish that tastes just like mashed potatoes, but with a fraction of the potassium. You can also pulse raw cauliflower in a food processor to create cauliflower rice, which absorbs flavors beautifully in a stir-fry. If cauliflower is already your favorite healthy swap, comment with the number 1 below. If you are excited to try cauliflower mash for the first time, comment with the number 0. Now that we have covered your main dish sides, let us move on to a tiny fruit that packs a massive punch for your blood vessel health. Blueberries are often cited as the number 1 fruit for kidney health because they provide a massive dose of antioxidants with very low levels of potassium and phosphorus. As we age, the oxidative stress on our kidneys increases, making these tiny berries a vital defense mechanism. They are the perfect sweet treat for anyone over 55 who wants to protect their delicate filtration units while satisfying a sweet tooth without reaching for processed sugar. The power of blueberries lies in their deep blue pigment, which comes from potent antioxidants called anthocyanins. These compounds are famous for their ability to protect the walls of your blood vessels, including the tiny capillaries inside your kidneys. By reducing inflammation and preventing oxidative damage, anthocyanins help maintain steady blood flow and healthy filtration. Research suggests that the phytonutrients in blueberries can even help lower blood pressure and improve insulin sensitivity, which are 2 of the most critical factors in preventing the progression of kidney disease. Blueberries are generally very safe, but it is important to choose fresh or frozen options over canned versions. Canned blueberries often sit in heavy syrups loaded with refined sugar, which can spike your blood glucose and put extra stress on your kidneys. If you are using dried blueberries, check the label carefully to ensure there are no added phosphorus, preservatives, or excessive sugars. To maximize your benefits, try eating a half cup of fresh blueberries every morning. They are wonderful when added to a bowl of warm oatmeal or mixed into a kidney-friendly yogurt. For a refreshing variation, you can blend frozen blueberries into a thick sorbet for a healthy dessert, or toss them into a fresh spinach salad with a lemon vinaigrette. These berries are stable even when frozen, so you can keep them on hand all year round to ensure your kidneys get their daily dose of protection. If you eat blueberries every day, comment with the number 1 below. If you need to add them to your next grocery list, comment with the number 0. We have covered vegetables and fruits, but now we need to discuss the cleanest source of protein to keep your muscles strong without hurting your kidneys. Egg whites are the gold standard of protein for anyone managing kidney function because they provide all the essential amino acids without the high phosphorus found in other protein sources. For those over 55, maintaining muscle mass is crucial for longevity, but many high-protein foods like red meat or beans can be too taxing on the kidneys. Egg whites offer a perfect solution, providing high-quality fuel while keeping your mineral levels in a safe range. The nutritional mechanics of egg whites are quite simple, yet profound. Unlike the yolk, which contains nearly all of the egg's fat and phosphorus, the white is almost pure protein. This allows you to meet your daily protein requirements without triggering a spike in serum phosphorus, which can lead to bone disease and heart issues in those with reduced renal function. By choosing egg whites, you are giving your body the building blocks it needs for repair, while significantly reducing the metabolic waste that your kidneys have to filter out of your blood. While egg whites are a near-perfect food, it is important to avoid the yolk if your doctor has specifically told you to limit phosphorus. Also ensure that you cook your egg whites thoroughly. Consuming raw egg whites can lead to a biotin deficiency over time and carries a risk of salmonella. If you are using liquid egg whites from a carton, check the ingredients to make sure there are no added salt or chemical preservatives that could impact your blood pressure. The most effective way to use egg whites is in a morning omelet filled with the red bell peppers and garlic we discussed earlier. You can also add them to smoothies to create a creamy texture and a protein boost without changing the flavor. For a creative variation, try whisking egg whites with a little cinnamon and dipping low-sodium bread into the mixture to make a kidney-friendly French toast. It is a comforting and safe way to start your day. If egg whites are a staple in your breakfast routine, comment with the number 1 below. If you have been eating the whole egg and plan to switch to just the whites, comment with the number 0. Now that you have these 5 amazing ingredients, it is time to put them together into one powerful morning ritual. Let us look at a simple recipe that combines these benefits into a single glass. Now that we have explored these 5 individual powerhouses, it is time to bring them together into one simple daily habit. I call this the Kidney Repair Smoothie. This drink is designed specifically for those over 55 who need a fast, nutrient-dense meal that flushes toxins without overworking the renal system. By combining the antioxidant power of berries with the clean protein of egg whites, you are creating a biological shield for your kidneys before your day even truly begins. To make this at home, start with half a cup of frozen blueberries. These provide the essential anthocyanins we discussed earlier. Next, add half a cup of pasteurized liquid egg whites. Do not worry about the taste, as the berries completely mask it while providing that vital protein boost. To keep the potassium low, use half a cup of distilled water or a splash of unsweetened rice milk instead of dairy or coconut water. For an extra anti-inflammatory kick, add a tiny pinch of fresh ginger or a small piece of steamed cauliflower, which adds creaminess without changing the flavor profile. Blend until smooth and drink it slowly. This combination helps stabilize your energy levels and provides your nephrons with a steady stream of protective phytonutrients throughout the morning. This one small change can significantly reduce the workload on your kidneys and help manage those morning symptoms like puffiness and fatigue. It is not just a drink, it is a daily commitment to your longevity. However, even the best smoothie is only one piece of the puzzle. To truly see a transformation in your lab results and how you feel every day, there are a few final lifestyle adjustments and vital precautions we must discuss to ensure your success remains permanent. We have covered a lot of ground today, from the protective power of red bell peppers and the anti-inflammatory shield of garlic to the clean protein in egg whites and the detoxifying benefits of cauliflower and blueberries. These 5 superfoods are not just items on a grocery list, they are your primary tools for managing creatinine levels and supporting your filtration system after age 55. By incorporating these into your daily routine and using our kidney repair smoothie, you are giving your body a fighting chance to maintain its vital balance. But please understand that kidney issues often progress silently. By the time severe symptoms appear, much of the damage may already be permanent. That is why starting today matters so much. You cannot afford to wait for your next lab result to show a further decline in your GFR. Your kidneys are working 24 hours a day for you, and they need your support right now. I want you to know that it is never too late to make a difference. Even small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements in how you feel and how your body functions. You have the power to take control of your health journey. Start by picking just one superfood we discussed today and adding it to your next meal. Please remember that the information shared in this video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with your doctor or a renal dietitian before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you are on medication. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to Kidney Health 365 and hit the bell icon so you never miss a life-saving update. For those of you noticing more bubbles than usual in the morning, you will not want to miss our next video titled Foamy Urine, 4 Fruits and Daily Habits to Protect Your Kidneys, starting today. I am Dr. Mattheus, and I will see you in the next one.